How to register voter ID online. Go to Google and search election voter registration. Click on the first link that appears. Now click on Naya Darata. Type your phone number. Enter your OTP. Click on Naya Darata. Scroll down and tick and press Suruh Garnu Hosea. Enter the information according to the citizenship. Press Arco. Enter all the details. Click Arco. In this section, all the details are written in citizenship. Click on the box to tick. Click on Choose button and upload front side and back side of the citizenship. Click Arco. Click Arco. Select Khas Arya if you are Behen. Click Sargsar if you are educated and select the level you completed. Click Arco. Select the nearest location for biometric. If you are in Kathmandu, you can go to Nuwakot because Election Commission office in Kathmandu Valley is already packed. Take date on which you can go election office. Click Arco. Finally, click on Darda Garnu Hosea after checking all the details. Print the registered form and go election office with form and photocopy of citizenship. Thank you for watching the video. Now let's change the situation from ballot.